All right. Today I'm going to be making Maruchan Yakisoba teriyaki beef flavored ramen noodles. Okay. So I'm going to be making this. If you don't know, Maruchan has a higher end, fancier, for classier brand of ramen noodles, and this is it right here. All it takes is 4 minutes, and we're going to get started. All right, so first you're just going to open the package. All right, so open the package, right? And the instructions are here, so read the instructions, okay? So I'm going to open this. Okay, and there's like 2 packages in here, okay? As you can see. Pull out your package, and there's package 1, and there's package 2. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take package 1, which are the vegetables, and we're going to pour it in here gingerly. All right, so once we pour that in there gingerly, we're going to add water to the fill line, which is right here. That's the fill line. You see it says fill line. I'm going to fill it to that line. So I'm going to take the water and I'm going to fill it to that line. Once I fill it to the line, I'm going to close back this and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. All right, after 4 minutes, you are going to let this rest for about 1 minute before you pull it out gingerly by the corners, making sure you don't burn yourself. So let it sit for 1 minute. All right, after 1 minute, you're gonna pull it out like this and set it down. And be careful when you pull the sides of the lids because it can be really hot. Read the instructions before you try to make this. So you're gonna pull it off. It can be very hot, so be cautious in this. And then take the package number 2, and then you're gonna pour it in here into the ramen noodle like that. And then you are going to take this and stir it. The beef flavor in. You see how it's turning nice beefy flavor, color. Gonna take that. Just like eating a steak, beef flavor. Let me know if you have any questions, and that's how you make this version of ramen noodles.